Hi coders, CS Time channel here, and this time we will talk about Java package. This video discuss about what is Java package, type of Java package, package advantages, and how to access package. Java package is a group of similar type of classes, interfaces, and sub-packages. There are two types of package, built-in package and user-defined package. Built-in package is the built-in packages are from the Java Application Programming Interface. The Java Application Programming Interface is the library of predefined classes available in integrated development environment. The built-in packages are again categorized into extension packages. Here are examples of built-in packages. We have Java Lang, Java I/O, Java AWT, Java Swing, Java Net, Java Util, Java Applet, and Java SQL. Let's see example on how to add built-in package. Here is the example. Import Java Util. It means get all the classes, interfaces, and enumerations in the Java Util pack. Then import Java Util Scanner. It means get one specific class scanner. Let's see package advantages. With packages, classes and interfaces can be easily maintained. Package also provides access protection as well as removes naming collision. There are three ways on how to access package. The first one, using package name by importing the package name. Let's see the program example using Eclipse. So here I have two pack 1 and pack 2. Under pack 1 I have class 1, and under pack 2 I have class 2. Here they are. Class 1 under pack 1, and then class 2 belong to pack 2. Suppose I have one method here under pack 1 like this, and then class 2 which is under pack 2 wish to access the method belong to class 1 under pack 1. Then what I have to do is to import the package which is pack 1 like this. It means I want to access everything belong to pack 1. Once you are done here, you can create the object for the class 1 like this. Now we can access the method belong to class 1 under pack 1 like that. Here is the result. The second one, using package name dot class name by importing the package dot class name. Let's see the programming example using Eclipse. I'm using the same example here. The difference now here, we are accessing it using package name dot class name. So we just need to write the class name here. Okay, the same results. So the difference between the previous one and this one is with the previous one, you are allowed to access everything belong to pack 1. While here, you are only allowed to access the class 1 belong to the pack 1. The third one is using fully qualified name by import fully qualified name. Let's see the programming example using Eclipse. With the same example here, all we need to do is just to delete this one, and then in the object here we have to write the package name which is pack 1 here dot class name there. So we'll also do the same here, pack 1 dot class name. Let's run it. It's the same result. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.